this video, talking about mathematical induction. So how to solve this question is what mathematical induction. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot plus n equals to n bracket n plus 1 over 2. So how to solve this question is very simple. First of all, we know that there are three basic rules in what solving what mathematical what induction. Number one, show that show that it is true for n equals to what 1. And number two, assume n equals to k is what is true. Then number three, prove that n equals to k plus 1 is true. So these are the three basic what rules in what mathematical what induction. So I'm going to use these three basic rules to solve this what question. So the first step is what? Show that it is true for n equals to 1. For n equals to 1. Look at the question. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus. Anyway, see n put what? 1 is equals to 1. 1 plus 1 over what? 2. This is what left hand side, what right hand what side, right? So 1 is equals to what? 1 plus 1, 2, but 2. That means 1 is equals to what? 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. That means it is true. It is true for what? N equals to 1 because it satisfy both the left hand side and what right hand side. These two are what equal. So the next step is what? Assume n is equals to k. If it is what? True. Step is assume n is k. Assume n equals to k is what? True. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus what k equals what? K plus 1 over 2. That's it. Assume it is if this is what? True. So the next step is prove that n equals to k plus 1 is what? True. So that's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus what? Plus k equals to my n is what? Plus k plus 1 equals to what? K bracket k plus 1. What about 2? If you look at it, we use what? N equals to k plus 1. We are using this part k plus what? The n that is there, k plus 1 but equals to k bracket k plus 1 over 2. Right? So we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus k plus k. This, right? The same thing is equals to what? This. So that means k bracket k plus 1 over 2 plus k plus 1 is equals to what? K bracket k plus 1 over 2. Sorry, I made mistake here. Sorry, I made mistake here. Sorry, I made mistake here. Sorry. N is k plus 1. K plus 1. K plus what? 1 plus what? 1. Right? All about 2. Then this is what? K plus 1. K, k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Right? So this is what? Left hand side and what? Right hand side. So if you simplify this, you can say 2. Okay, multiply both sides by what? 2, which is 2 k bracket k plus 1 over 2 plus 2 bracket k plus 1 equals to 2 bracket k plus 1. So end it way k plus 1 k plus 1 plus 1 about 2. Right? So 2 cut out this, then it means k times k, that's k squared, k plus 1, that's what? Plus k, plus 2 got 2k plus 2 equals to 2 cancel this, right? So we open this bracket, that's what? K plus 1, that what? 1 plus 1, 2, k plus what? 2. So therefore, k squared plus what? K plus 2k, 3k plus 2 equals to what? K. You open this bracket, k times k, that's what? K squared. K times what? That's what? Plus 2k. 1 plus 1 times k, that's what? Plus k. Plus 1 times plus 2, that's what? Plus 2. So therefore, k squared plus 3k plus 2 is equals to k squared plus 2k plus k, that's 3k plus 2. So as you can see that the left hand side is equals to what? The right hand side. It was what? The same what? Answer. So it's what? It satisfy what? Both what? left hand side and what? Right hand side. So next question. Next question will be 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus dot 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 n squared is equals to n plus 1 to n plus 1 plus 6. So in the same step, the first step is to what? Show that n equals to 1 is true. As 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus dot dot plus plus 1 squared equals to 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1 plus 6. So 1 squared is equals to what? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times 1, 2, 2 plus 1, that's what? 3 plus 6, right? So that's 1 is equals to what? 3 times 2, 6. 6 divided by 6, 1. So it is true for what? N equals to 1 because the left hand side is equal to what? The right hand side. So the next step is what? To assume it is true for n equals to what? K. That's 1 plus 4 plus 9 dot 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 k what squared is equals to k plus 1 2k plus 1 plus 6. So we can break it down again. That's 1 plus 4 plus 9 dot 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 k squared equals to what? K what? Let's say k plus 1 or then break it down. That's k squared plus what? K 2k plus 1 plus 6. So this is what? Assume n equals to what? K. So the next step is to what? Prove that n equals to k plus 1 is true. Prove that what? N equals to what? K plus 1 is true. So from here, we have 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus dot 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 plus what? K squared. Then it ends with k plus 1. Then this square on top equals of k plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, that which is 2, right? So 2 brackets k plus 1 plus what 1. So you can also put the bracket as 2k plus 2. That's 2k plus what? 2 plus 1, that's 3 plus 6. So we know that this written as what? This. That's k squared plus k 2k plus what 1 all over 6 plus k plus what 1 or 10 k plus 1. So you can just open a bracket. Open this bracket as k squared plus 2k plus k plus what 2. That's 2k plus what 3 plus 6. Then what? Multiply both sides by what? By 6. Multiply both sides by 6 by 6 let me write it down here. Sorry. So by 6, that's 6k squared plus k, 2k plus 1, 6 plus 6k squared plus 6k squared plus k, that's 2 plus k, that's 3k plus 2, 2k plus 1. It means k squared plus k, close bracket, 2k plus 1 plus 6k plus 6. Yeah, just put it that way. I'll just put 6 bracket k plus 1 squared is equals to k squared plus 3k plus 2, 2k plus 3. This is going to be long, long, and long. So, what is common here? There's nothing common here. There's nothing common here. There's nothing common here. Okay, okay, okay. There's nothing common here. So let's do like this. If you simplify this, you get k bracket k plus 1, 2k plus 1 plus 6k plus 1 squared over. This will give us this back, k plus 1, k plus 2, 2k plus 3. Right? This will cut out this. Then to remain k 2k plus 1 plus what 6k plus 1 squared over. So then anything again as close over. So k times 2k, that's 2k squared. K times that's also plus 3k, that was 4k, that was plus 6. Right? So if we open this bracket, we have 2k squared plus k plus 6k plus 1, k plus 1 is equals to what? 2k squared plus 7k plus 6. So that's 2k squared plus k. Sorry, pardon me. Sorry, pardon me. Sorry, pardon me. I make a mistake here. Sorry, I make a mistake here. I make a mistake here. I make a mistake here. Sorry, make a mistake. This cannot. This cannot cut out this. So let's just break it down first. That's k plus 1, 2k plus 1 plus 6k plus what? 1, k plus what? 1, right? Is equals to k plus 1, k plus 2, 2k plus 3, right? So this and this are common, abi? So if this is common, that's k plus 1, k bracket 2k plus 1 plus 6k plus 1 equals what? K plus 1, k plus 2, 2k plus what? 3, right? Right? So this cancels this. Then to main, open the bracket, you have k, 2k squared plus k plus 6k plus what? 6. Open the bracket equals to, open this bracket, you have 2k squared plus 3k plus 4k plus 6, right? As 2k squared plus 7k plus 6 as 2k squared plus 7k plus 6. So you see that the left hand side is equals to what? The right hand side. So you want to satisfy that n equals to k plus 1 is what? Is true.